Klings have a history of racism. That apartheid tendencies won't be tolerated here.
We've apologized.
We've apologized. What history are you referring to? Since your memory has load shedding, let me remember here for you. First picture. The white woman gets a husband. What about the black woman? Are you saying the black men are absent fathers? And why was the black woman not pregnant? Are you saying black children appear out of nowhere like smelly farts? What? Second picture.
There's more?
Yebo. I see you still think it's the time of the Burev and Van der Merwe. Bloody racist. Why is the black child not have a toy? Why are you stingy for the black child? These have nothing to do with... Yeah, shut up! No Klampi, Arampure. That picture. Why are only the white people washing their faces? What are you saying about black people? Are you saying black people are scared of water? I mean, I wash only once a week, but that's because I don't want to lose the taste. I don't want to lose the flavor. Last picture. Why is the hairdryer black? Black things must blow hot air. What does that mean?